Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you all how to do effective monthly, weekly and daily planning. No matter in which profession you are, if you're a creator like me, if you're in a business, and even if you're a student, this planning is going to work very well for you. The same video is up in Hindi, so if you want to watch out Hindi video you can do that, but for now let's get started. For this you're gonna need a notebook or a notepad, a scale, a pen and some sticky notes. So my actually notebook had a sticky note with it, but if you do not have, you can either DIY or you can purchase it from the stores or online. So first you have to divide your planner as per the plannings that you want to do. So for example, I'm dividing my planner into 5 parts like monthly, daily, weekly. Then I will be leaving few pages for video ideas and few pages for the content writing. So first you have to write monthly planning or just monthly ideas or monthly calendar, whatever you want to write. Monthly planning, monthly plan I have written down, and then I'm going to stick on the first page. I'll leave more than 12 pages because I know sometimes I can mess up and I just want to tear the page and just go ahead in the another one and just do the planning once again. So for example, for that kind of situation you should leave some extra pages. So here I am leaving 15 to 16 pages, and then I am going to stick the another sticky note which is for the weekly plan. Now again, make sure to paste the sticky note in a pattern that all of them are visible. That way it will be very easy for you to open up the section which you want to open really fast. And then my notebook actually had few these kind of plastic folder, so I'm not throwing them away. I'll be using it at the last so that I can either store some bills, or if I want to store some good notes or any kind of important papers, I can do that. Now let's start with the first thing, that is monthly planning. For this, just open up the first page in which you are going to plan. So for the example, I am planning for the July month in this page. So I have made all the rough ideas in a very small diary first that I have to put up in the final my planner. So it's good to make rough ideas first in a paper or a diary or notepad, and then write them, jot them on the diary. So I'll do exactly what I actually want to achieve in a particular month. I will not overboard this page with writing description also, but it's just a rough idea that I have to do. So as I'm a creator, I'm writing all about my videos that I have to put. Now moving towards the weekly planning. For this I have opened the weekly plan page, and on this I am planning my first week of July. So I have written down July 1 to 7 on the first I mean on the top of the paper, on the first page, and then I'm going to divide half page into 4 sections. Now let me tell you, it is very important to do this so that you are very focused. So I have divided in these kind of 4 categories: the things that are important and urgent, then important but not urgent, third one is not important but urgent, and fourth one is not important and not urgent. This fourth column is always very confusing for me. Now again, I have written down all the things that I have to achieve in a week in a notepad. If you want, you can write on a paper, just all the things, and then I'm going to transfer all these in my diary. This kind of planning always makes you very clear and focused whenever you are doing your daily planning. So whenever you are having your morning tea and planning your day, you can just look into the weekly planning page, and according to that you can plan your day. It's very effective, keeps you focused, and you do not miss out any important or urgent things. Okay, now let's move towards the daily task, how to plan your day. So for this, first I'm going to write down the month which I am planning. So for example, I'm planning July, so I'll write it on the top of the page. Now on the left hand side, I'll write down the day which I am planning. So here I am planning the 3rd of July. So now I will refer the first week that I have planned, all the works that I have to finish in the first week. So I'll go on in that page and write all the things that I have to do in the particular day. The key here is to not plan hectic days and at least jot down 3 things that you have to accomplish. Science says even if you are feeling distracted and unmotivated, write down 3 things at least on a piece of paper and accomplish that. So you have to write down first 3 things that you will if you will do, you will feel more productive, and then you have to write down other things that is not very urgent or very important. Keep your days very simple and your planner very simple. This way you're not very distracted and you're not focusing more on decorating part, but you are actually planning. I have seen so many planners out there on the YouTubes and even on the market. They are so fancy that sometimes it's overwhelming. You are more focusing on decorating them instead of planning them. So I mean planning your days, weeks and whatever. So yes, I'll go through my weekly plan page and I'll plan my days according to that. Just in case if you are not able to fulfill the few tasks in a particular day or a week, you can consider them into the next week. It should be very easy for you to plan. It should not be hectic, otherwise you will definitely stop planning. So make sure that you are planning very carefully and mindfully. Then if you want to go overboard with it, then you can plan your weekends and also shopping. For here for me, just I'm a very bhulakkar person, or I just forget everything. So I write down all the shopping things that I have to do in the particular month or a week. So I just section one page into 2, like the things which are not urgent but I have to keep that in my list. Whenever it is possible, I'll order it online or I'll shop. But the things that are not urgent, and also on the top I'll write down all the things that are urgent to buy, like groceries or anything which is related to my work, or just anything which is urgent. So yeah, this is how you can go ahead and plan your weekends and shopping. Okay, I have a good news. If you want to create your own free planner, printable planner, you can actually do that. Watch this video. I'll put the link in the description box and also in the comment section. So that will be my first comment on this video. You can check out the link over there, watch that video and create your own. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if yes, make sure to actually share it with other friends and relatives, and also college students if they want to plan their college days and all that kind of stuff. And if you're new, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, by the way. Bye.